Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're catching us from. Well, today we are back with a new project that we are, you know, pursuing as Igmic Farm, and this is dairy farming. So we want to try dairy farming and then see what it is. We've seen a lot of videos, a lot of people that are dealing with it, and we've been inspired a lot. So we thought maybe if we could start. Of course, this business is quite expensive. The project is quite demanding, but then every journey begins with a step. That's what they say. We've heard of people say it with one cow, and they keep going and going and going and going and going. So we thought of doing something also as Igmic Enterprises or Igmic Farm. So we are into dairy now. Yeah, we are growing, and thanks to you who are part of this growth, we thank you. And as we grow, we hope to grow together like this. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Remember to hit that notification button so that you're able to get notifications from this young village farmer and see what we can do in our villages on a small piece of land, and then see how we can improve ourselves. So back to today's issue. We are dealing with dairy farming. Yeah, well, you see, it's common for these data to mix up like that. So dairy farming, that is what we're going to be looking at, and then I don't have much to say right now because just getting into the project. But then, of course, I've done a little bit of some consultation with a number of people. So one thing I've arrived at to beat the cost and also management issues. Remember, everything has to do with management. Everything has to do with how well you keep your animals. Now, the pure breeds are foreign to this land. That's one thing. Secondly, that means that they may be susceptible to diseases that affect our beef cattle that we rear around here. With this said, I thought of going for probably a pure male, and then I got a few heifers, cross heifers. They're actually 50% cross breeds from beef animals or beef cattle to and Holstein Friesian bull. So we have those. We want to see how we can go about the whole project. And from now, let's dive into issues. I'll just throw a little bit of some videos to show you what we just started doing. We'll discuss more about dairy farming in the near future. So please keep glued to this channel. And then, yeah, let's share notes together and then see what we can do. We're open for comments. And these comments, please bring them on and help us to grow as a farm, especially under this video, dairy farming. We want to know what we should do and what we shouldn't do so that we become a success. So please, we're counting on you, and share our videos so that others can also help us to grow, because one day you may need us. Yeah, you may need us. So this is what we can do. Back the village farmer, Igmic Farm, right in Zambia, the southern part of Zambia, in the heart of Namwala, commonly known for beef cattle. But we are now mixing it up with dairy cattle. Let's see what we have hopefully we'll grow into something big with these. And then we have the pure Frisian there. That's the bull. We want to cross him with the rest of the beef animals so that we can have the crosses, and then we keep on improving and improving and improving. Yeah, so that's the way it goes. I hope they're looking good enough for your approval, you know. Yeah, but they're there. Just a simple way of giving them something. They're new here. Of course, today we took them out for grazing a little bit, but not that much. Yeah. Hi. Once again, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and subscribe to this channel, please, if you haven't done so already. Share with others. Let us grow. We are still a young group, so we need to grow ourselves and see what we can do. Otherwise, this is farming for everyone. And remember, if you're not in Zambia, you can still benefit one or two things from here. So this is the local way of doing things, and this is how we're gonna do them. So please subscribe to our channel and be part of our growth. We'll remember you when we grow up. Have a great day. Thank you.